You guys dancing? Kieran got your baby. Good baby. The baby can fly. You are. Yep, dump some olive oil in. That's right. You did it! You did it! You putting it away? You want help? You want help? No? Okay.
But mud doesn't taste like chocolate. Because if it did,
Are you dancing?
Mud.
Are you dancing?
But we don't eat mud, do we? Mud's yucky because it doesn't taste like chocolate.
Can you do a dance in your dress for me? Do you want to spin around in your dress? Oh, pretty. Spin around. Can you do it? You did! Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Oh, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Spin around. Spin around. Everybody go with Aunt Leanne.